Imagine a new Cold War, but instead of nuclear arms, the weapons are algorithms, and the battleground is your computer screen. This isn't science fiction. This is the new reality of the geopolitical AI war. And at the heart of it are two titans, the USA's ChatGPT and China's DeepSeek. You've heard of ChatGPT, the revolutionary model that changed the world. But what if I told you a new contender from China is not just catching up, but in some ways surpassing it? This is the story of a high-stakes technological showdown that will define the future of artificial intelligence and global power. For years, Silicon Valley has been the undisputed king of AI. Companies like OpenAI, with their groundbreaking models like ChatGPT, have set the standard. They operate on a closed-source model, keeping their technology a closely guarded secret. This approach allows for massive investment, rapid development, and a controlled, polished user experience. We've all seen it. ChatGPT can write essays, plan your vacation, and even code. It feels like magic, a glimpse into a future powered by intelligent machines. This dominance has cemented America's position as the global leader in AI innovation. But across the Pacific, a different strategy is taking shape, and it's creating shockwaves. The problem for the rest of the world has been catching up. How do you compete with a giant like OpenAI, backed by billions from Microsoft? Their closed-source model means that while we can use their products, we can't see the inner workings. We can't build upon their core technology freely. This creates a dependency, a technological bottleneck, where innovation is funneled through a few powerful American companies. For countries like China, being reliant on foreign technology in such a critical field is a strategic vulnerability. It's like trying to build a skyscraper when someone else owns the only crane. This has been the status quo, an accepted reality, until now. Enter DeepSeek AI. While you might not have heard of them, this Chinese company is making a monumental splash in the AI community. Their solution is radical. They're going open source. Instead of hiding their code, they're giving it away. Their latest model, DeepSeek V2, is a masterpiece of efficiency and power. It's a mixture of experts' model, a sophisticated architecture that makes it incredibly fast and cost-effective to run. But here's the kicker: they've open-sourced it. This means any developer, researcher, or company in the world can download it, study it, modify it, and build on top of it for free. This isn't just a product release, it's a strategic move. By opening the doors, DeepSeek is empowering a global community of developers to innovate, challenging the very foundation of the closed-source empire built by Western tech giants. So, how do they actually stack up? Let's talk performance benchmarks. When you compare DeepSeek's open-source model to ChatGPT's flagship GPT-4, the results are astonishing. In coding and math benchmarks, DeepSeek consistently scores at or near the top, even outperforming some of the best closed-source models. Think about that for a second. An open-source model, available to everyone, is competing head-to-head with the billion-dollar proprietary technology of OpenAI. DeepSeek has been specifically trained on a massive dataset of code and mathematical texts, making it an absolute powerhouse for developers and engineers. It's not just a chatbot. It's a specialized tool. While ChatGPT is an incredible all-rounder, a jack-of-all-trades, DeepSeek is positioning itself as the master of the technical domain. This focus gives it a sharp edge in areas that are crucial for scientific and technological advancement. This brings us to the core of the conflict. Open source versus closed source. It's a philosophical and strategic battle. The closed source approach, championed by OpenAI and Google, argues for safety, control, and a clear path to monetization. By keeping the model's architecture secret, they can prevent misuse and direct its development. It's a walled garden, beautiful and secure, but you play by their rules. The open-source approach, championed by companies like Meta with Llama and now DeepSeek, is about democratization. It accelerates innovation by allowing thousands of brilliant minds to contribute. It prevents a single entity from having a monopoly on powerful AI. It's the Wild West, a bit more chaotic, but filled with freedom and explosive potential. DeepSeek's move is a powerful statement in this debate. They're betting that the collective power of a global community will outpace the siloed development of a single corporation. Now, let's zoom out to the geopolitical landscape. This isn't just about two companies. This is about national strategy. The US government has been actively trying to slow China's AI progress, imposing restrictions on the sale of advanced computer chips needed to train these massive models. The fear is that China could use superior AI for military or surveillance purposes, shifting the global balance of power. But DeepSeek's success shows that China is finding ways to innovate around these restrictions. They're developing their own chips and, more importantly, focusing on creating more efficient models that require less computational power. DeepSeek V2 is a prime example of this. It's designed to be lean and mean, delivering top-tier performance without needing an army of the most expensive GPUs. By open-sourcing their powerful and efficient model, China isn't just sharing technology, it's projecting soft power. It's telling the world, especially developing nations, that they don't have to rely on expensive American technology. There is another option. So, what does this all mean for the future? We are entering a new era of AI competition. The landscape is no longer a monopoly, but it's becoming a multipolar world with different ideologies and strategies competing for dominance. For us, the users, this competition is fantastic news. It will drive down costs, accelerate innovation, and give us more choices. We'll see more specialized, powerful, and accessible AI tools than ever before. Developers will be able to create amazing new applications on top of powerful open source foundations like DeepSeek. Researchers will be able to dissect and understand these models, pushing the science forward for everyone. But it also raises important questions. How do we ensure the safe development of AI in an open-source world? How will nations navigate this new form of technological warfare? The race is on, and the outcome is far from certain. The battle between DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT is more than just a corporate rivalry. It's a defining moment in the 21st century. It's a clash of titans, a battle of ideologies, and the starting gun for an AI revolution that will reshape our world. This is a story that's unfolding in real time, and it's one of the most important technological developments of our lifetime. The rise of a powerful open-source competitor from China fundamentally changes the game. It breaks the mold and forces everyone to rethink their strategies. Whether you're a developer, a business owner, or just curious about the future, this is a trend you need to watch. The innovations happening today will dictate the tools we use, the economies we build, and the very nature of global power tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into the AI showdown between the USA and China. What are your thoughts on this? Do you believe the open source model will win out, or will the walled gardens of closed source AI prevail? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the future of technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.